Hey guys, I am back. This is part 2 of the AFRAM 2025 in Baltimore, Maryland, where Black Americans, African Americans, a bunch of them gathers here. I cannot say it is the first time I see so many black people, but definitely I am in my element here. With my own kind, you see, blacks everywhere. I mean, if I have to do a head count, I think there are probably close to 40,000 people here, gathering, eating, family, kids, you know, this is a family event here. So this is the second part. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to give you an overview of what's going on here, and then later on, go in front of the stage and see exactly if I can give you a little bit of the performances going on there. So I may not stay until 9 o'clock because so many people are here, and I don't want to get up, caught up with the melee if we have to leave around 9 o'clock. So probably around 8 o'clock, then I will leave, and then probably come back tomorrow. I'll let you know. But in the meantime, I am so happy I am here, and then that gives me some kind of a perspective when it comes to doing streaming. I have all the equipment, but that doesn't mean that the equipment are truly set up for streaming. Although I am streaming live on TikTok, but because there are so many people around here, the cell phone tower cannot really withstand the Wi-Fi strength to push the TikTok signal out. I was doing YouTube, and then midway, I have to shut down my YouTube feed. So therefore, I'm going to have to go back and then go to the drawing board and see if I can get the satellite, the mini, Starlink mini. Probably that will give me a better chance. So when I do my TikTok live, when I do my Facebook, my YouTube, my Twitch live, because I want to stream on all those platforms, but therefore, using the 5G network is not enough. Specifically when you have, Nico, show them, when you have so many people around here. Matter of fact, there was a guy who asked me for my number, and I gave him the QR code so he can get all my information. He could not even log in because of the latency of the Wi-Fi signal. So, as I said, I am trying my best to do TikTok, but in order for me to push this one here, I have to do it 720 AP instead of 1080, not even HD. Forget 4K. Then I'm recording offline, and then later on I will load it on my TikTok page and my YouTube page, and then you will see the real footages and then the interview. I'm going to try to talk to some people. All right, Nico, let me take over now. Now, Nico is the one in charge of the photo. And then if you guys go to my Instagram pages, you will see a bunch of pictures later when we are going to load. Then you are going to have so much fun watching these pictures here. So far, Nico have taken around like 200 pictures so far. And I don't know how many he wants to capture, but so far, Nico loves taking videos. And then me, this is my passion, doing videos, and that's what it is. So guys, you should see. I want to give you an overview of what's going on, and then you can see a lot of people. Happy?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, a lot of people here having fun. A bunch of young kids enjoying it. And this is the atmosphere here. Nico, stay close to me. All right? If I have to do some interviews, I want you to hold the camera for me. All right? So, one of the things is that there is an Asian booth. Not booth, I mean, there were some Asians who were sitting earlier, and then I was talking to them, and I told them I will be back to ask them questions, you know, and do some interviews. If I see them, I will probably sit down and have a tete-a-tete. So forgive me, guys, if my TikTok feed is not as strong as it should be. But I'm trying my best to give you a good views of what's going on. And you can see the views. You can see the views. People start coming.
Okay. What up, Baltimore? Y'all having a good time tonight?
Yeah.
Y'all ready for the 99 and 2000? Yeah!
They start coming here.
It ain't that time yet.
People start coming.
Now we gonna pay some bills. We gotta thank
Making
all
sure
the folks outside
I
the
get
city helping
everybody.
put this on today. So I'm gonna bring out all of our sponsors onto the stage. We're gonna recognize all of them right now. I'm gonna call them out right now.
Wow.
The West North Avenue Development Authority.
I did not get exactly the exact spot where they are. Of Gade.
Bank of America.
Guys, you can see. Let me get a little bit further up so you can see what I'm talking about. A little bit further up, guys.
Albia got hands. Albia got hands. And bodies. Big. Casa Permanente. Yeah. And last but not least,
wow.
our media sponsor. Make some noise for WJZ TV.
So I'm trying to give you as much leeway, you know. Now this is the Haitian crew now.
All right. We also want to thank, hold on, JJ. We also want to thank Bit Wine, Maryland.
Hey, this is my Haitian crew now. I have come for some interviews. Who wants to talk to me? Okay, let me get to here. Politician. Hold on. Oh, ma pose une question. Oh. Qui me pose une question? You live on TikTok?
Live.
Oh, you live? Oh, tu m'en là? Où peut parler? Oh, j'en t'ai que t'en parler pour parler là. Hein? Vous pensez que je vais être lié? Qu'est-ce que ça? Nico! Hey!
To the front gate.
We are on TikTok. Hey!
They got that 360 camera out.
All right. Alright, Sam, you come down, Sabunula. Alright, sit down now, let's talk. Let's talk. Let's talk. Woo. So, comment est? Et comment est le même? Quel est le microphone non more?
Woodens Vital.
Hein?
Woodens Vital.
Woodens Vital.
Yeah, Woodens Vital.
Et le bâtiment habité même?
C'est là?
Le bâtiment habité même?
New Jersey. Nous étions là.
Ni vrai tout?
Ouais.
New Jersey.
Côté.
Maintenant la peine.
Oh, Trenton.
Vous venez là chaque année, non ça?
Maybe 3 years ago. So, not chaque année, but
okay.
Vous
venez avec toute famille là?
Yeah, so, c'est tous les amis là, dans New Jersey, les amis le collège, c'est fait là. So, tous les amis so des groupes amis.
So, tant ça nous venons avec.
Exactly.
Ça vous venez tout préparé.
Ça?
Vous venez tout préparé.
Ok. Nous avons des têtes, des couleurs, nous avons glow, nous avons paquet de bagages.
Et manger, vous avez mangé tout?
Et manger, nous finissons.
Oh!
But.
Ah, Yann Jean. Manger haïtien.
Oh, vous pas manger haïtien. Vous pas manger haïtien.
Ah, qui a sous maillé? Avec ton américain?
Non. Madame, moi, c'est haïtien.
Mais pourquoi vous manger haïtien?
Non, mais. Vous pas comme ça. Petit.
Petit.
So, nous pas coûte belle manger haïtien.
Ok. Elles sont confortables par l'anglais tout? Elles sont confortables par l'anglais tout? Okay. Now we're going to transition to English.
Okay, perfect.
Because I'm trying to reach as much as possible.
Yeah.
I want them to understand what's going on.
Yeah.
So what is your first impression of this?
Oh, AFRAM, I love it, man. I love the culture. I love Baltimore. I've been here 10 years. when I first came, I came for school, and I never left.
You never left.
So I have 2 degrees, pursuing a 3rd degree. I have a non-profit I work with in Baltimore, so I love the city.
Okay.
Yeah.
So definitely, my first impression is that while there were so many black people here, how come we Haitian, we do not represent?
You know, honestly, it's because the Haitians don't come together enough. So when I first came to Baltimore, I didn't even know that we had so many Haitians here.
We do?
Yeah, we have a good amount. So like Community IET is a group that works in Baltimore full of Haitians. They host a festival every August at Patterson Park. But I didn't know about them until my 8th year in Baltimore.
Every August?
Every August.
Do you know the date? Huh? Do you know the date? Exactly
right now I don't know the date. I can get it for you though.
Yeah, before I leave, I want to have your contact and send them to me. Because my job...
All over. Every August, Committee at the IT, Patterson Park, the Haitian Festival. Haitian band, Haitian food, Haitian vendors. It's a great time. But again, I didn't know about it until my 8th year here.
8th year, wow.
Yeah, and I found out from it. So I used to do events in Baltimore, right? So I met a brother who does real estate. We were talking, he said, oh, I'm Haitian. Oh, I shit, blah, blah, blah. He told me about it.
He told you about it.
He's like, oh yeah, I have a committee, I do work. I'm like, oh really? I didn't know. I didn't even know the Haitians were here.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So after that, I got connected with him and then the committee. I've been going to their festival every year. Again, I've been there probably 3 of the last couple years. And because I didn't know about it, it's him.
So are you going to do both days? You coming back tomorrow?
Well, I'm not coming back tomorrow. So me and my guys got to visit one of my good brothers. He's married, 2 kids. He's not here today. So we're going to visit him and his wife in Laurel. So we're not coming tomorrow, but we got fun today.
Yeah, because I heard that tomorrow will be Paxi Label.
Oh yeah, tomorrow for the old people. Patty LaBelle, you know, 30, 40, 50, that's who's going to be here.
I don't know if I'm going to make it tomorrow, but definitely I am so proud and so happy to see so many black.
Yeah.
I think that I'm in my element here.
Yeah.
And you know,
this is beautiful.
Yeah, and you're talking about family. The way that they portray us in the media, that we black, we are like single motherhood, single this, single that. That's what I see.
Exactly. It's a great time. Look at this.
Yes.
Family, love.
Yes.
Well, c'est madame, oui?
Yeah.
C'est madame, là, oui?
Madame, on va la faire, lui, vini. Madame, mariée. Lui, vini, non, on va venir parler, il vient parler. Yeah. Oh, où peut caméra, madame mariée? So, c'est 100 000 qui là. Madame mariée. Viens dire deux mots, Viens pour Tichida. I come for the food now. Buy my demo microphone now.
What's up, dog? What's up, boss?
You told me to come back for the food.
I know I don't have any more. I have one more.
Huh?
I have one more for you.
Ha.
Miguel. Can we take it back? Salmon.
So what it is?
Salmon, gelatin, herbs, cheese. Very, very good. It's a little slider.
Oh, it's a slider.
It's a slider. Yeah. It's a salmon slider. She made it.
Okay. Pour me say next time we va go bouffe. Et puis nous faire ensemble.
It's good.
M'a investi.
It's good, man. It's good. I promise you.
Nico, ouvre le bagage. Enquête de vous. Nico est dans la caméra.
It's good. Yeah, take a bite, man. The flavor, right? That's a little flavor. Yes.
Yeah,
Next time. He wanted you to make it here. I'm like, nah. For here, nah.
Okay, but
Oh, God.
what is your first impression here?
Woo! We game Soup Moon. So many people. Okay. There's so many people here. It's good. It's good. It's good vibes. Good time. We here enjoying each other. You know, it's a good time. I'm having a good time.
Is it your first time visiting?
Yeah.
But that's what?
So the first time you knew about it?
Yeah, that's first time. He lives here. He lives here.
You don't know about it?
Yes.
Do you can to come next year?
What?
Next year, do you can to come here?
The next year? I'll come next year.
You think you have next year?
They need to have a Haitian artist. Haitian artist. They need to have a Haitian artist on there.
We should.
For compa.
We should have it like a DJ.
Mr. Compa. Okay, compa, next time.
Next year, we're supposed to have our own booth. Cooking food.
Oh, yeah.
You know how to cook well?
Tell us about...
She's a good cook.
One of the best.
Yes, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Okay, what do you want to say to my viewers?
I want to say that we're having a great time. Shout out to every Haitian, okay? We are having a great time and we're out here, yes.
Listen, shout out to the Haitian culture. Make sure...
Why don't you drink that one, Bedu?
Listen, shout out to Haitian culture. Shout out to the productions. We love y'all. God bless y'all. Enjoy AFRAM, baby. Have a great time, my boss. Of course.
Haitian for life.
Haitian for life. Know that.
Paulin
Productions.
I'm going to give you my contact. Nico, let me say contact me. Contact me. On consultant, mais nous n'avons pas hier là. Là, les dégages sont côté, et ils viennent avec nous. Pas comme des gars là.
AFRAM 2025, DJ Reds. Keep it cool. Trying to get please. Say you want to dance real high. Go.
That's very nice,
Okay.
I appreciate it.
Spin that night in. Whoa.
Bon, vous venez? Hein? Non, ouais, j'ai ma bague. Pas besoin de l'aime.
True.
Hein?
True. Hey, fellas.
Just text me. Because I'm on TikTok now, I won't be able to text you. Text me and then I'll talk to you later. Right? We'll start you in New Jersey. We'll meet sometime. Because I have a nice quartet.
That's right. I see the little Kim fan.
In January,
I see the real
I plan to go to Brazil.
I see you over there.
It's going to be a network, a club. When you be a member of it, you can bring your wife. Luxury. That's what I'm doing. That is why I'm doing all this. To connect with my people.
I'll let you know, man. I'll be there.
Okay? All right. Let's go. You go, I move. I can tell you that, don't you? Back. I'm alley. Hey, come on, Jidra. Come on, mama. Hey,
Y'all sound so good.
my dear. Who been playing back by myself? I'm going to buy boom.
Oh, okay. You want to go?
No, she. Okay, thank you. Hey, back. I'll talk to your husband, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, I have a big project for Brazil.
Oh.
And I would love you guys to be part of it.
Yes. You have his contact? Okay.
All right, okay? Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right. Right? Go.
This is
Ou pas loin là. Ouais, je vais faire photo. Fais photo, madame Nino. Hey, allez, picture. Go. Picture. Come take picture. Ça, c'est Haitian, yo. On prend from by you. Yo, bon, move qui charge éclairé là-dedans. Hey, guys, I don't really drink much. On prend pas tête m'éclair. Quand on fait hier là. Any book, boy. M'ba, boy. Il faut faire des photos. Et même des tissus. Et belle bagarre, oui, men. Là où on vit avec peur pour men. Haïtien. On est très content. You get it? All right. Thank you. All right, let's go. Ouvre ça, moi, chérie. Oh, non. Maintenant, c'est ça. Ah, ben, mon clair est sérieux, là. Vous voyez sous nom, là, Nico?
OK, Ed.
OK. On a le devant. On a monté mon yo et puis après ça, on met dehors. Hein? Ouais, baby. OK. I do. I don't tell my people.
Everybody, if you don't know, now you know. This Al City right here. Can we act like we at the family reunion?
I get be nice,
All out of town is welcome. If you visit us today from
you want a good picture?
to the real Baltimore. Is it safe? Is it safe?
Oh, here you go. Hey, funny go.
I'm not about to play with y'all out here.
Okay.
Are y'all ready for these vibes right here?
What you mean?
What is heavy, yo? What is heavy, yo? Don't play with the little booties. Don't play with the little booties.
I say about this you. Thank you. Yeah, okay. Picture.
Oh, no, I'm good, brother. I was just pointing out your setup. I like it for real.
Yeah.
I'm good, brother.
You're in TikTok live. And later on YouTube. When you go home, got this one, Paulin production, and then you will see yourself. Take the picture and tap that place. moun chita là, édité là. Wow. Tout le monde chita là.
Act up. Act up. Act up.
Hey. Aye.
If it's your birthday, if it's your birthday, if it's your birthday, hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up.
Where my Gemini's at? He's celebrating a birthday right here. Where my Cancers at?
Kansas, we up next. Oh.
Make some room for the Cancers, y'all.
Oh. Even if it's not your birthday, you better do it like it's your birthday.
It's my birthday every day. That's called self-love right there. I'm a self-love practicer. You know what I'm saying? That's what I do. Specialize in loving myself. It's my vibe, right?
Busy body, busy nice.
What's up, busy body?
Busy body, busy nice.
We still celebrating Pride. Happy Pride!
Joanna. Joanna.
I heard they had Drew Hill, man. Hey, Paul, let's get your out-of-town family enjoying themselves. Shout out to the nigga. Shout out to the DC. Coming down here enjoying themselves. DC.
What's up, DC?
Nico, on va le devant, on va en aller. They have what we call a VIP. This is a VIP lounge here. So people are taking their VIP. So serious here. That's a VIP section where people under a big tent. You have enjoyed that too, right? All right. You can see, guys. Yeah. That's they call the VIP section here. You have this right there too. Là, when you manger, you can manger, you can drink, you can tout bagay là. You can drink, manger, tout bagay. You put it for you. That's how the VIP section works. Nico! Guys, it seems that back at même aller derrière là. On a mis dehors? Okay.
So I could have swore I thought we was ready to eat.
I think so.
He got back right here fast as shit.
It's so crowded. Let's go. Follow me, okay? Let's go. Somebody looks so tired. Are you? You hot, right? Okay, follow me, Nico.
What's your leg, bro?
Yes.
Okay, pass.
All right. That's the VIP, guys. People are doing VIP. And you sit. You're not it. Packet bunch, yeah? So many. So this, I am so glad that I came because that gave me an idea of what I need to bring with me, specifically when you have this type of event. So I need definitely a tent, I need several chairs, plus I do need to have an extra person to be with us because me and Nico, we cannot really do the floor and leave all our equipment unattended. So therefore, we are going to need a volunteer. So every time we are going to go and do this type of events, we need somebody, doesn't matter female or male, to come with us. Food will be on us, shelter will be on us, and then probably we'll give you a stipend. Okay? Your job is to make sure that you watch our back, all right, watch our equipment. All right, when people need information, get our information outside, give people our cards and everything. So that's what I need to do. Hi, how are you guys? Before, when I was doing it, there weren't that many people here. So now it seems that everybody is coming. Now it's going to be 7 o'clock, or it's already 7. So, Munyo Abde Bake Sunula and Grand Machette. All right. So we do not want to get caught off with the traffic in our way back. So therefore we are going to exit a little bit early because I just heard that Party Label will not be playing tonight. It's going to be tomorrow. Huh? Going this way? Party Label will not go into the fight. It's going to be tomorrow. What was in Bajon? Go, Nico. You can drop clear. Nico, we go soon over. Elle a un clair là même là. Elle a mis comme là qui clair. Yes, as I was saying, guys, if you want to be volunteering with us when we have activities like this, just let us know. Doesn't matter if you are male or female, you can come along with us, okay? Because we need somebody to sit down to mind our equipment. Probably if you are good also, you can even be on camera. You can have the microphone instead of me talking, you will be there when explaining what's going on. That's what I'm saying it is. So I plan to travel all over the world, but specifically when I'm in United States, if you guys have no problem, and we have some free time. Nico! You think I've been up and one? Right, Nico? Yes.
From East Baltimore, okay?
Yeah. Oh, Nico, when we go to our cars, look at where there. They're not the machine now.
I can't all the way from Green Mountain. Somebody had fun at West Baltimore. Oh, wow. Y'all ready for more performers? We gonna keep rolling with it. Come on, go ahead, cut that off.
Yeah.
Cut it off, man.
Cut it off. Activity là. Guys, I hope that, listen, I won't be able to see the comments. I will not be able to see the comments, guys. because I am on a monopod and then it is very high. So mba même ouais caméra même. Mba même ouais téléphone moi. C'est sans les mettre li pour capable ba nous un view of what's going on. All right guys. Nous capable voir là. Ouh. Nous capable voir Jean la chargé avec nous. Definitely. Definitely, guys, this is truly a success here. Alright. On va connaître que si tu as un black comme ça dans la zone, that's Baltimore, Maryland. Baltimore, Maryland. Il y a des gens qui sont de l'autre côté quand je suis sorti là. Oh, regardez l'autre là. Nico! Look at that, look at that. Look at that.
Bitch, you a police officer. That's what I'm saying. That's why I turned around.
Look at that, look at that, look at that. Il y a des gens qui sont dans des air conditionnés. Ça sont air conditionnés. I like your hairstyle, very nice. Vous faites mesdames un compliment, surtout les dames qui ont des cheveux naturels. Et même quand vous me dites, depuis son fille qui a des cheveux naturels, je vais toujours faire un compliment. On va pour m'encourager. Nico! Bon, des gros bruits là et ça fait que si nous t'attendons. Guys, you see how many people here? Tout jeune, là, d'Israël. Nico! Ooh. Nico! No, ou avec moi pour take off. Et pas quoi de m'aider mais dans l'opérative là, sous l'opérative là, opérative net beau. Faut entendre pour capable ba moun yo view men. Ou courir aller. Montez là pour ba une photo pour moun yo ouais exactement qui ça gagne là men. Regardez-moi. Ça c'est une section oui guys. This is one section. C'est une section. Okay? That is truly one section. Nico! Derrière Nico dans la bouche, là, fait photo. T'es chargé avec tu comme ça. Ouh. Wow. That's the main stage, guys. There are two stages. Nico, non. You good? Nous allons dehors là, pour regarder les gens qui sont là. I'm telling you guys, un peu de monde qui est là, dans la chaise, ça vient à écrire, ça vient à drinker. So my hope and my wish pour l'autre année, pour avoir un groupe haïtien qui mette tête ensemble. Nico, which way? Ok. C'est exit, guys. Nous allons dans la deuxième stand là, on a juste allé dans la machine là. Oh, va gagner là, ok. Ouais, mettez les bagages dans la net. I wish, guys. On va regarder les gens qui sont là. This is a joke. So many people here. Watch me, Nico. Make sure que vous suivez côté mieux. This is somebody with a. Yeah. Somebody with
people, y'all gotta move up.
Somebody with somebody with a snake. Somebody with a snake. So if you have a snake, c'est pour manger, charger, manger là. Wow, this is what it takes and look at now. Tu peux venir là pour juste 9h du soir. Juste 9h du soir. On va regarder tous les deux bords. Nico, this way? Okay. The kids zone. Okay. Là, on fait l'autre bord. Ouais, vous êtes capable de idée. Vous êtes capable d'idée, guys. Surely, it is very amazing. The thing is that for nous to faire what we call the stream and all the platforms, Internet n'a pas qu'à pousser stream là, parce que il y a trop de monde là, il y a trop de monde là. Look, the guy is making, wow, he's making papaya juice. Il y a trop de monde. Trop de monde dans la zone là. Trop de monde dans la zone là, guys. Too many people here. Ouais. Obligé. Allez, nous obligé relax. Pour nous faire ça, pour nous faire. Ah ouais. Hey. So many people on cell towers, so the cell towers become very weak. C'est dans de Belgrade. Mesdames qui regardent, c'est dans de Belgrade là. C'est dans de Belgrade. Vous connaissez. C'est dans de Belgrade. Sells $25. Look at that. So when I check, regardez. How are you, my man? How much you ask for this dress? Oh, 50. Okay. Very nice. They want $50 for this dress, guys. Very good. It's a nice dress. See? Pour mesdames, vous me posez des questions pour nous parce que je connais qu'il y a un pile de mesdames qui regardent moi. Définitivement parlant, nous t'en aimons connaître combien de bagailles. So vendors. You go tell me mama.
What about can I
The sacred space. Hi ladies, how are you? I am on TikTok live. Do you guys mind if I were to ask you some questions?
I can't hear the questions right now.
Oh, you shy?
Yes, I'm there.
You the one who did all this?
The artist isn't here right now, but I'm representing her.
You're representing her?
Yes.
So do you mind if I ask you a few questions?
Okay, sure.
You're on TikTok live though?
All right, that's beautiful.
Okay. First of all, introduce yourself to my friends.
Hi there, my name is Angeline Jones, the owner of The Sacred Space, and today I am representing Art by Tosh, an amazing self-taught artist here in the state of Maryland.
State of Maryland. So that's your joint, that's yours?
Yeah.
You are the owner?
I am the owner of The Sacred Space.
But you are not, are you an artist too?
I am an artist as well, I'm an abstract artist, but this is different, yeah.
Somebody has work.
Yes, this
so
is someone
your work
else's
is not displayed here?
My work is displayed here through my jewelry.
Oh, you do jewelry also?
I make jewelry, yes.
So beside, you do canvas and jewelry?
So I do, but my canvas aren't here, but Art by Tosh's canvas are.
Okay.
Yes.
So what made you become an artist?
That's a really good question. I just enjoy creativity. That is one of my purposes here in life. So I was like, let me just go ahead and dive into some acrylics. I also deal with resin and alcohol ink.
Okay. So basically this is the only venue that you generate and then come for yourself, or do you have something else you're doing?
So I am also an energy worker. So I'm a Reiki practitioner and a meditation practitioner. Okay. I also do a lot of peer guidance as well. So I do make money off of that too. Yeah.
All right.
But it's not about the money. It's about helping people.
Helping people.
Yeah. Let's make that clear.
All right. Frankly speaking, it's my first time coming here.
Oh, very nice.
So I never knew there was such a big event here.
Really?
And I am so delighted to see, very delighted to see so many of my own kind here.
Yeah, it's the 49th year.
Element. I didn't know there were so many people.
Black people?
Black people in Baltimore.
Yeah, this is our city. Black folks run Baltimore.
Black. Yeah?
Yeah. What? Yeah. We're predominantly black. That's very important. But you got some other races and cultures mixed in, which makes it nice and great, you know, a melting pot of sorts. Yeah.
So what is your impression of this event today?
Oh, so I mean, I've been coming to AFRAM since I was a child. So me actually being on the business end is amazing. I get to represent my business in a city that I grew up in. So yeah, it's a full circle thing.
So let me ask you more, not a personal note, any business note. Now let's say that next year I want to get a space like this, and then to sell Haitian food, or anything. How much will I be looking for?
That's a really good question. I think the prices vary every year, but I do know the food truck vendors and like the restaurants, they do pay a pretty penny to be here, but I think it's worth it because it's thousands of people here today.
Okay, it's more than 40,000.
Yeah, see, so I mean, you know, if you got some really good food, you can make a pretty penny.
Let's say for something like this, how much someone will look to pay?
I mean, it could run you about $500 to $700. Yeah, because you have to take in consideration insurance, your booth fee, but it doesn't even stop there.
They want you to have insurance? Or
yes,
they provide you insurance?
You must have insurance, actually. You have to provide a certificate of insurance to even be here.
You have to do that. But are there like organizations that sell you that insurance for one day?
That's a really good question. Through the platform that we use, yes, it offered an insurance, but you can also get an insurance by yourself.
Or by yourself. All right. So I wish you much success.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
Thank you for spending your time and talk to me.
Most definitely. Have a good day.
They have some nice clothes here too.
I appreciate. Yeah, the vendor, she's right inside. I definitely speak to them.
Yes.
They're dope.
Yeah, very good. Yes, ça c'est jeune entrepreneur black. Haitian lakai.
Yeah.
Oh, look at you. Very pretty.
Thank you, love.
Hey, when you go home, you should give your mother or your dad a big hug.
Oh,
they did such a nice job on you.
Oh, you're
now,
so sweet,
do you mind talking to me?
Yeah,
well, okay, we know. This is Paulin's production.
For who?
For my company, Paulin's production.
Okay, got you.
Yeah, as you can see, traveling the world.
A Haitian brother.
That's right. My job is to travel all over the world to bring awareness to our culture, our heritage, and then to make sure to let people know that we Haitian, we are here, and then we are here to do good things.
Okay, I can dig it.
So, parle Creole bientôt?
No. I can understand.
Yeah, okay, that's good, that's good. So I don't mind because...
My sister can speak French though.
Oh,
so
not French or Creole?
French.
French?
Yeah.
But
I know.
Usually Haitians say French, and then when you start talking to them, and they talk to you in Creole.
Yeah, they do.
So remember, Creole and French are two different languages.
No, she can speak French.
She can speak French.
I can understand both.
Okay,
yeah.
Very good. Were you born here or in Haiti?
Here, in the States.
In the States? Where?
Yeah,
in
Chicago.
Chicago?
Yeah.
What made you land here?
Oh, we actually traveled from Atlanta for this festival.
From Atlanta?
Yeah. So we traveling all the different festivals.
I was in Atlanta for the Caribbean Carnival.
Oh, wow.
Were you there?
No, I wasn't there. It was probably at another event. Because there's always so many events happening that same weekend.
Next year, make sure you're there because after I went there, and then me and Mary Licita, and then we decided to set up a Haitian Carnival committee.
Oh,
so we want to be part of it next year.
Okay.
So make sure you get as much information.
Okay.
So tell me, what is your impression? Because since you left Atlanta, is it your first time?
Yeah, last weekend was our first time in Baltimore because we came for Baltimore Pride, and then we stayed another week for this event.
What is it about Baltimore Pride? I don't know about that.
Oh, yeah, it's a Pride festival, and so they just have the celebrations and stuff like that for the community.
For the community? Okay, and then you stay over for this year? So
yeah,
those are yours?
Oh, thank you so much, boo.
Thank you. So are you selling stuff too here?
Yeah, it's my business.
So what are you? Are you an artist? Look at your jewelry. You make them?
So I'm a full-time entrepreneur. So some of it is sourced, some we make, and some we have made for us.
Okay. So you are a full-blown entrepreneur.
Full-time entrepreneur. Yeah, me and my sister run the company.
So you work for yourself?
Yes.
You don't work for nobody?
I don't work for anybody.
So how is it being an entrepreneur? What advice can you give my viewers who are watching us here?
Well, entrepreneurship is a roller coaster, so it has its highs and its lows.
Okay.
It's a great time when it's great, and then there are those moments where you second guess everything, but you have to keep pushing no matter what.
All right. So it seems that you do mostly events like this.
Yes.
So every time there are events like this, and then you're ready to go.
Yes. And we're traveling all over, so we're just slowly but surely making our way to different places.
So for the booth, how much did you pay them for you to get a space like this?
I think that was like $650.
$650. Yeah. And then you have. She told me that you have to have insurance too.
Yes.
Yeah,
but we automatically have it because we do so many festivals. Because like literally every single weekend. Because like the first weekend of the month we were in Pittsburgh, and then we made our way to DC, and then Baltimore, and then Baltimore again, and then next weekend we're going to be in Minnesota.
Oh, I'm going to be in Pittsburgh on July 5th.
Oh, word.
Because there is a Caribbean Carnival, July 5th in Pittsburgh. So you have all the calendar then?
Yes.
So I'm going to get your contact, and then I need you to send me those calendars. Because my job, as long as there's something.
I'm not always at the Caribbean ones though, so I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm usually at some of the regular ones.
Oh, regular ones. Oh, you don't do Caribbean ones?
Hey, Booms, come check me out real quick. Okay.
Yes. Oh, I'm not going to keep you much because I know. Hi, how are you?
Good. And I have cash for the.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, thank you.
And then you can contact me here.
Oh yeah,
I'm gonna follow you once I get connection, because the connection's bad right now.
I know, because that's what I've been telling.
Yeah.
So take some pictures. Let me hold this here.
Okay.
So Nico.
Send them to me?
Oh yeah, definitely. I'll send you the link. I'll send you the link, and then you'll be able to do what you're supposed to do.
Okay, and it's at Sincerely Fearless.
Okay, no, I'll send you the link to this here.
Okay, appreciate you, love. It was great.
Oh, look at it. So this is actually a hearing?
No, those are not hearing aids, but they're whistles.
Oh, whistles.
So they're multifunctional.
You should.
Fashion and I guess you could say celebration.
Celebration.
Yeah.
So you are celebrating us, right?
Yeah.
Definitely.
More power.
Let me see. Let me show my viewers the. Look, this is what she's buying. Guys, she's buying.
Okay, gotcha.
Are you going to put it wearing it?
Yeah, put it in the ear. They're light too, so you know they're not going to be uncomfortable at all.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
People are gonna look at you and they're gonna laugh.
Yeah, that is no problem. That's the point.
That's the point.
Exactly.
Gotta live a little.
I got they're jellyfish ones, and the jellyfish ones, every time I wear them, people are like, oh my gosh, I love your ears.
Yeah.
So I'm like, you know what? As soon as I saw your booth, I had to stop by.
Thank you so much, Boo.
Take care.
Have a good one.
Enjoy. Yeah, that was very nice. Oh, thanks. I appreciate it. So for taking the time and to talk to me.
Absolutely, love.
Definitely, you will be seeing me. You're supposed to follow me on TikTok, on YouTube, and Instagram.
Okay.
Because I will be doing.
Instagram too?
I do.
Okay, awesome. I'll follow you there.
Yeah.
Right.
Because of my phone, I'm doing the live. Otherwise, I would have given you my contact.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I was able to screenshot it, so.
A screenshot everything.
I
So guys, that's how I will do the live.